And action.
Give me a fierce look. You come in and be fierce. Everyone loves it. Yes, that's what we all love.
But I lied to you. Did I lie? No, this is the informal entry for days.
Yeah, go.
Was I lying? Look how impressive.
Over time.
You want this, right, Herman? You want the bigger, you want more of the house in the shot, right? Something like
Yes,
a little
that's
bit further
much
out.
better, exactly. Because I see this.
You're gonna give me your Nobel
You're
Prize.
gonna be shook, and that's too vloggy. You'll love it. You'll just.
Wait to be, like, yeah, wait to fall in love, or wait to be surprised, wait to be impressed for that
You're
car.
gonna be impressed. There we go.
See about doing something like this.
On the side piece.
You know, I'll just do that.
Huh? Okay. So I'm just gonna walk backwards. Okay. We're walking backwards. Should I just do this? Like, do you just get a quick shot of me and then like, or do you even have to be in the shot? I mean,
Me?
me.
Oh yeah, you should. Yeah, we love you.
I mean, but shooting your tush, I mean, sometimes.
Why don't you just go to the top and like greet me at the top?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.